guys, so now it's been a bit that I haven't made a video, so I'm going to teach you how to make jelly today. So one box of jelly, it has to be this brand, and also 205 ml of boiling water and 225 ml of cold water. Get some cups and also a long spoon. Daddy, pour in the, the thing. There go. And now you get the spoon and stir it. Stir. That smells good. I know some of you guys that already made some jelly, but just in case you didn't, I'll show you guys. As you can see, if it turns pretty red, that means you're going the right direction. Just need to stir. My hands getting pretty tired, but let's continue stirring just for you guys. This water is actually pretty cold. This is making a lot of weird noises.
It's okay.
Hi guys, so now I just finished stirring. It's all this stuff. You have to none of the little things go away, so you have to mix it with hot water to 225 ml. You can see right now. Now it is done, okay? Daddy help me. So this is cold water, 225 ml of cold water. You pour it in. Over. Good. And now you stir it. Make it all dissolved and we're done. Okay. Hi guys, so now I'm going to pour the water in. Make sure the top's kind of white, so that means it's perfect. I just pour it in. And there we go, and the other one in. And you get some of these. In. And you get one of these green pack things. If you don't have them, you can use a wrapper. Like a thing, you can wrap these things, but I have these green things. You don't have to be able to make them clean. You can use a wrapper if you want to, if you don't have these. And you just put it in. There we go. And make sure you have your grown-up or something, or this is going to be hard. As you can see, I have my daddy at the back. Now it's enough. Now we put it in the fridge. The top layer. Guys, so it's been 3 hours later and the jelly's ready. Here's my backseat while I make the jelly. But it's nighttime now. So, okay, I'm scared. Daddy, help. I'm scared. I can't. Oh my God. Guys, I just did it. My mommy helped. Now this jelly is nice.
Yes.
It's nice. It's flat and stuff. I never made jelly before. Let's test it. Not bad. I actually ate this kind of jelly before. Yeah. You can make this at home if you want it, but you also need your grown-up because be careful with the hot water, it could burn your hand. Good. Well, I hope you like this video and have a good day. And also, please like and subscribe, and you can change your mind whenever you want. Bye.